Everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Splice video editor and maker app. You click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this window here you will search about Splice and you will click in this page. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.